Hello guys, welcome to GoMiller, the premier email marketing platform that helps you connect with your audience and grow your business seamlessly. With GoMiller, you can create targeted campaigns, automate your emails, and track your results for increased conversions. Today, we'll explore two efficient methods for adding contacts to an audience: the direct import and the advanced query builder. These techniques are important for optimizing your email marketing campaigns and ensuring targeted communication with your customers. Let's kick things off with a straightforward approach, directly importing contacts to your audience. First, log into your GoMiller account and navigate to the Audiences section. Select the audience you want to add contacts to, or create a new one if needed. Navigate to Import Contacts. You typically have options to upload a CSV file or add your contacts manually. You can download the template to map your data fields to GoMiller's contacts properties. Hit that import button and voila, your contacts are now part of your chosen audience. This method is perfect for when you have a predefined list of contacts that you know belong in a specific audience. But what if you need more flexibility? That's where our next method comes in handy. Now, let's explore the more advanced and incredibly powerful query builder. This allows you to dynamically add contacts to an audience based on specific criteria. In your GoMiller account, head over to the Audiences section. Select your target audience and click on Query Builder. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a plus button. Click it to add a query rule. Choose a property from the drop-down. This could be anything from basic contact info to custom fields you've set up. Next, select a rule. This determines how much will match contacts. Let's break down some key options. Contains. This matches if the property includes your specified value. Starts with or ends with. This is perfect for targeting specific name prefixes or email domains. Matches exactly. This comes in handy when you need precise matches. Does not contain and similar negative rules. These are great for exclusion criteria. After choosing your rule, enter the value you're looking for. Hit Save Query and GoMiller will automatically add matching contacts to your audience. The beauty of the query builder is its flexibility. You can add multiple rules, creating complex segments of your contact list. For instance, you could target contacts who are in the B2B sector or are highly active or are located in a specific city. Whether you prefer the direct approach of importing or the dynamic flexibility of the query builder, you're now equipped to create tailored audiences for your campaign. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips. You can also visit our blog to learn more. Link in bio. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.